Making your own liquid fertilizer from kitchen scraps and garden waste is one of the best things you can do for your plants. Often called weed tea or compost tea, this homemade liquid gold is a cheap and easy way to feed your garden while cutting down on waste. Regular composting is great, but it takes up a lot of space, requires a lot of heavy lifting, and takes months to give you results. This simple 2 bucket liquid system speed up the whole process. It breaks down nutrients quickly so your plants can absorb them right away. Whether you have a huge backyard or just a few pots on a balcony, this setup is a low maintenance way to turn unwanted weeds and food scraps into a powerful plant tonic.
To build this system, you only need a few basic items you can find anywhere. The main structure uses 2 plastic buckets of the same size, like standard 5-gallon pails that stack easily inside each other. First, take the inner bucket and drill a bunch of small holes all across the bottom. These holes need to be big enough for liquid to drain through, but small enough to keep the solid food scraps and chopped weeds from falling into the bottom reservoir. The second bucket will collect all the liquid, and you need a way to get that liquid out. Drill a hole near the very bottom of this outer bucket that matches the size of a simple plastic tap or spigot. Screw the tap into the hole tightly. To make sure it does not leak when the bucket fills up, use rubber washers or a little bit of waterproof sealant around the threads. Once the tap is in place, put the bucket with the holes inside the bucket with the tap. Because most buckets are tapered, they will naturally leave a few inches of empty space at the bottom. This space is exactly what you need to collect the wheat tea. If your buckets fit together too tightly and leave no room at the bottom, just drop a few flat stones or large pebbles into the outer bucket before putting the inside one in. The stones will prop the top bucket up and create the space you need. Now that your buckets are ready, you can start filling the top one. The best fertilizer comes from a good mix of ingredients. Gather your daily kitchen waste like vegetable peelings, fruit scraps, and coffee grounds, and mix them with yard waste like green leaves and pulled weeds. Weeds are actually amazing for this because their long roots pull up valuable minerals from deep in the dirt. Before you throw everything into the bucket, take a minute to chop it all up as small as you can. Smaller pieces break down much faster because it gives the good bacteria more surface area to work on. Give the whole thing a really good watering. Pour enough water over the top to soak in scraps until it starts draining through the holes into the bottom bucket. Cover everything with a layer of mulch. Plain, unprinted cardboard works perfectly for this. Make sure you use an organic mulch like cardboard instead of a plastic lid. Cardboard allows natural rainwater to soak through if you leave the bucket outside, which keeps the whole system from drying out. Now you just have to wait. Leave the bucket alone for about 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, a dark, nutrient-rich liquid will brew and collect in the bottom chamber. When the 2 weeks are up, your liquid fertilizer is ready to use. Just turn the tap and fill up a container. Because this liquid is super concentrated, you cannot pour it directly onto your plants or you might burn their roots. You always need to dilute it first. A good rule to follow is a 1:10 ratio. For every 1 cup of fertilizer you draw from the tap, mix it with 10 cups of clean water. The final mix should look like weak tea. Use this liquid to water your vegetables, flowers and houseplants to give them a safe, easy to absorb nutrient boost.